Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So, have you guys watched the Squid Game from Netflix? Oh my god, it's so good. So I hope you already watched it. If you haven't, go check it out. It's only 9 episodes and it's really good. Like, it's like a survival game, like a show, and then it's from Korea. I watch it with English because I don't really like watching with subtitle. I'm always like, you know, looking down and looking up, like I always miss something. So I really enjoy watching it in English, and so I really highly recommend this one. So if you watched it, you know that those workers there in the red suit, the three symbols, we have triangle, we have circle, and also we have square. So you might ask me why I only have the head for the square. Is because I ran out of beads, okay? I'm not using like the red color because the red color is really bright, as you can see. So in comparison with the red and the rose, I decided to use the rose so it doesn't look that bright, and I personally love the color rose. So but then I only had like 4 beds and I actually just completely finished. So I'm waiting for my new orders to come in. I will say each one of them will use 1.5 bed, so it's 1,500 beads of the red or the rose, and for this 3D perler, and it takes about like 2 to 3 hours to make one. So if you're interested to know, so thank you guys for sending me the pattern. Also, I found them from the original designer Beads, their website. They have all 3 patterns, so I was like, okay, let me just go ahead and make all 3, but I didn't know that I would run out because I have 4 beds of this color, and I really thought you know, I have enough, but actually I don't. So if you're gonna build all 3, you need to make sure that you have all of them so you can build them at once. So I really like this design. It's very detailed. So like they did a really great job on the designing, and also like this is the only one that has the gun, and I can't really remember, is it the triangle that does all the killing, or the circle? I thought it was the circle, but maybe I got it wrong. Maybe you can remind me, comment below. So today I'm gonna show you how to build this one. I'm gonna show you the pieces that you will need to build this one, and we're gonna do this step by step. If you're first time here, new to my channel, or you just haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by clicking the subscribe button and hit the bell so you will get notification when I have new videos coming up. So like tutorials, or like, you know, Sanrio, Hello Kitty, cute stuff. Like, I love sharing beautiful stuff that I found or I bought, what I love to share. So I hope that you're subscribed. So if you're already done so, thank you so much for all your support. So let's get started with triangle today. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, so let's build section by section. So we're gonna build the front part first. So these are the pieces. So let's use the connector onto this one first, and then this to the bottom. Got it? Okay. So this one is gonna connect to this one with the connector. Alright, looks great. And then add this one to the top. You can already see the triangle here, right? And then we're gonna add this piece to the back. Just like so. Alright, so let's move on. Alright, moving on to the side pieces. So you should have 2 sets of these. So 1 on each side. So do the same thing using the connector to connect the pieces together on one side. So always pick up the middle piece. So this is how we connect to the back piece. Very easy. And then this one, we're gonna top it to the top. Just like so. Alright, let's do the other one together too. So pick the center piece, add the connector. Alright, and then here, anytime if I'm going too fast, make sure to pause and then just go with your own pace. All right, adding this one. So now we get both sides. Let's move on. All right, now we move on to the top and the back. They look very similar, so we're just gonna do it together. They're also just like, 5 pieces. So again, we pick up the center piece and then go from there. So right now I'm doing the top part of the head. Just like so. Again, I always like to find the side that always lands better. Let me see. So you can tell from the side if it looks better. I think this side looks better. Yeah. All right, and then let's pick up the other one. This is gonna be the back section. Oops, actually try from the back. So let's give it a try and see how it looks. Okay, so this one, let me see. Okay, so it goes this way. And then one more. I mean, it's really up to you how you put the order, whichever is easier for you. So now we got the top part and the back part. Alright, so now I have all the sizes ready, and then we're gonna build the base, okay? So these two is gonna be on the side, and then you just simply attach it this way, and then don't hold it too tight, just kind of sit on your arm, your hand, and then attach to the other one. Now you can place it down because we're gonna add this one to the front to make this cube, like a base. Now we got it, and then let's add the bottom so we can stabilize it. Let me see this one. Okay, make sure it follows the beat counts. So it's 2 and then 3. Yeah. Once you get this one, let's bring those combinations that we did earlier for the side. This one is for the top. This one is for the back, I think. Okay, so this one is for the front. We got all of them? Okay, let's move it to the center. All right, so let's slowly and paste them to the top. So take it slow because sometimes if we go too fast, the base is gonna break. Okay, so let's add the size. Just like so. Yay! And then on the other side. Yay, we're almost there. If I can remember, I think this one is to the back. Yep. Yay. Alright, so let's add this one to the top. This one reminds me of the giant Pokeball. We did all the sides and then we combine them together. Looking good? Alright, let's add those 3 pieces to the bottom. The last 3 pieces that you have so far for the head. Alright, so let's add it to the bottom. Turn it over. Yeah, so this one is gonna be so easy. Oops, let's pop a little bit. That's okay. Alright, and then this is the next one. And then one more. Actually, this one will go when we have the body. Alright, so let's hand on to this one. Let's move on to the body now. Alright, so excited. So now we're moving on to the body. So we're gonna have our connector for all the pieces for the body, and I like to go from the center. So let's build the body part, and then so insert this one. So this one facing the back, going think this way, and then this is gonna be the second piece going here, and then this is gonna be the last piece. Just like so. And then I'm gonna use this one to the top to stabilize it first. Alright, so let's add on to the back. Alright, so we'll need these pieces for the back. So place it in this way, the order. So let's turn to the back and then push this one all the way in because we'll need all the beads right here. So this one first going this way so you can see the direction, they're not even, okay? So this one goes to the top first, just like so, the first one, and then this one right here. All right, so as you can see, we have a connector right here. So let's turn to the back and then add the connector right here. All right, so now we can place this one to the back. Isn't it easy? All right, so let's move on. All right, so now let's add the side pieces. So place your beads this way, so because I put them in order already. So this one is gonna go on to the right side. Insert it this way, just like so. And then comes this one, will go to the other side. Just insert it in this way. Somehow I'm lazy. And then this one, you will do the same thing. And then insert it so it can click to the back. And then one more will be this one. And just simply insert it here. And when you hear the click, oops, goes to the top part. Yep, just like so. Alright, it looks like we're almost done. Let's add on to the front. Alright, so you will need these pieces for the front. So first we're gonna add this one right here first. So this is gonna be the first one, just like so. And then let's add this one to the top. Oh, actually I like to insert these first so I can put this piece all at once. So add the connector right here. And then we can insert this one onto the top. I think I'm missing one piece right here. So we'll need this one to add on to the top. Yep, so now we're done with the phone piece. Just insert it this way. Just slowly and place it to the top. Yay, we got this one. So continue adding on. We have this piece right here. Oops. So we're just gonna insert it in the center. Yeah, can't tell why this is more challenging than anything else, but the design is like this, so it looks good. All right, so let's add on to the arm with the gun. So these are the pieces that we will need. And then so this one will go in first. Let's turn it to the side. So right here, this is gonna be the first piece. And then you will need this connector to connect the gun part, right? So, and then this is gonna be the second piece, as you can see. Yeah, so kind of push it back. And then this is gonna be the last piece on the top. Yay! Alright, let's let on to the bottom part. That's a little tricky. Let's get ready. Alright, so we're at the bottom of the, the feet part. So let's use these pieces right here, and then let's go with this one first. Turn it onto the side, and then we're gonna place it this way. So you can see this little black dot right here. So we just insert it this way. So same it on this side. So we're gonna insert it this way. And then the next one is gonna be this piece, and then we're gonna insert it like this. So slide it in, and then yeah, it's a little tricky, just like so. Remember, the longer beads is gonna be facing you. So slide it in, and then also it'd be easy to click, right? This one wouldn't have more room like the other one, but you eventually got it. All right, so, and then these two, we go under to the bottom and just place it this way. This one is gonna be facing to the front, and then same as this one. All right, so we got it with the body. Let's add the head. So, all right, I found my triangle head right here. And then just gonna insert it this way. If you find it hard, so just put it back this way, and then take this piece out. Oh, actually, that should be the way. So just simply click. We got this. Yay! So now we got triangle. So this one I really like it, especially it looks so like real, like the one in the movie. If you want to build the other one, check out the link in the description where you can find all the pattern. And hope you have enjoyed the movie, and give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye!
Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.